Hi Pisces, I hope you're doing well. So this is going to be a weekly reading from 16th to the 22nd of August. So this is a general reading, how you feel about your person, how they feel about you, and what is the connection, and at the end the outcome of this relationship. I hope it resonates to you. Take whatever it resonates and leave the rest in behind. So let's see Pisces, how Pisces feel about their person. How Pisces feel about their person. Okay. Six of Cups, Four of Wands in reverse, Ace of Swords, and Magician. So Pisces, what I feel like, you looking at the past maybe, and it's kind of like you are holding on to the past. A story from the past that needs to let go right now. You might be reconnecting somebody from your past or something like that. You might be reminiscing your past, looking at the past. Or maybe you saw this person as a soulmate. I feel like you manifest something I feel like you manifest something, and you know you are a very powerful person and you can control things in your own way. You might be trying to cut this person out of your life, but you want to say something to them. With the Ace of Swords, the communication needs place. So your past person is coming back to your life. Right Pisces? So let's see how this person feel about Pisces. How this person feel about their Pisces. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, this too. Knight of Cups, Five of Swords, Ten of Swords, and Seven of Wands. Lots of burden that your person is carrying on yourself. So this person does have love for you, but with the Five of Swords here, it's like this person is very egoistic, a stubborn type, and try to let go of that. Maybe they feel like something that sabotaged in between the two of you. It could be betrayal that happened in between you or them, or they feel that they hurt you. But what I feel like, you both hurt each other in some way, and they feel like they need to guard themselves from you or you from them. Remember, energies could be vice versa. So show me the connection between Pisces and this person. What is the connection between the Pisces and its person? Empress, Eight of Wands, Star, and Six of Pentacles. Lots of work to do if you want this relationship. So you have to, or maybe your person have to do lots of work to rebuild the relationship. The Star is here. Healing, lots of healing and hopes taking place in this situation. So what I see that you both find each other worthy, somebody you wanted to commit with. Things possibly happen very fast between the two of you. Lot of good communication. You two have a lots of love in this connection. But you have to do lots of work, or maybe your person. Both have to do lots of work to reconnect this relationship with each other. and healing and hopes are taking place. Lots of hopes and healings is required in this connection. Right, Pisces? So let's clarify with the another deck. These are the mini decks and I like it. Six of Cups. Why this Six of Cups is here? Let's see why this Six of Cups is here. Two of Swords, the Emperor. You are the Empress and he is the Emperor. Lots of juggling, lots of confusion is between them. Okay, I'll take this. The Star, the Hermit. So it's feel like this person is very healing to you. The Star is also in the double star. There is double star. So it's like this person is very healing to you. You were hopeful for this love. You spent a lot of time together and you were starting to feel hopeful with this person. It's like they heal a part of you. You feel changed after you met them. Right, Pisces? He healed you, but in this connection, healing is required. So Four of Wands here. Why this Four of Wands reversed here? Let's see. What's for Four of Wands is here. Why this Four of Wands is here? Okay. High Priestess. Your intuition is telling you Ace of Wands and Knight of Crystals, means Knight of Pentacles. So what I see, that it's like you keep in a secret that this person is a soulmate type and you were very attracted to this person or maybe them. You feel very drawn to this person, possibly have dreams about this person. You feel very loyal towards this person and wanting to move with them. But there is something kind of weight with this person. You manifest this relationship, but something happened in this relationship that you two are separated. So let's clarify the Five of Swords here. Why this Five of Swords is here? Let's clarify. What's your person has feelings for you? Why this burden he is carrying towards you? Let's see. Okay. Devil, Ace of Swords, Fool and Queen of Swords. What I feel like, so this person's intention was not what you think they are. This is somebody who breadcrumbs you. So they are playing a game with you. It's all about winning. It's all about winning. This person, they were like, take a leap of faith with the Fool card with you. Maybe they feel sabotage things and they are just conflicted that how they do. Maybe this person have some issues in their mind. The connection is very beautiful in the past, but they are thinking a lot about this relationship. They are stubborn type. So maybe they are not good enough for you. I feel like they tell something about and you are not like that. This could be challenging for you. And they don't like to show off lot of emotions to you. They try to really strong. I feel like this person is betrayed or something like that, maybe they're in their past. I told you, they have a lots of issues in their mind. Maybe their past issues. Maybe their past issues are there. The hurt, the pain. That's why he sabotaged this relationship when it goes so beautifully, and he sabotaged this. Right, Pisces? So let's clarify the Seven of Wands here. Why the Seven of Wands is here? Why the Seven of Wands is here? Why this Seven of Wands is here? Ten of Cups, Knight of Wands, and Seven of Wands. Look, Seven of Wands clarified with Seven of Wands. So this person still needs healing. They want a family with you and they want to spend time with you, but they guarded themselves. Very much guarded themselves. With the Seven of Wands, two is here. Two Seven of Wands is here. They guarded themselves so much to come towards you. Why they are acting like this? That's because their people's opinions is matter to them, as I feel like. They worry about their family, friends, what think about this relationship. He involves third party situation, not in a person, lover type, his family and friends, what they think about this relationship. Whatever the case may be, he don't hurt others' feeling though. Maybe you both are different from each other, like religion, culturally, something like that. You both are different from each other. That's why this relationship, that's why you both are stuck on each other. So let's see the outcome between you and them. What is the outcome of this relationship between Pisces and their person? What is the outcome in between Pisces and their person? Queen of Swords, Seven of Cups and Three of Cups. Look, Three of Cups is here. I told you that there is other options. Maybe other options are available, and the Three of Cups may be a partner also. Or I already told you the family, friends, what they think about this relationship. Right, Pisces? So don't allow this person. I feel like obviously you have a choice. It's your life. But he involves other peoples in this connection, which I don't like. So choice is your, what you want. I feel like some of you are already moved on with the new beginning. The Fool is here with the new beginning, with the Empress energy, and have a faith that lots of hope and love for the future. Right, Pisces? Some of you are already moved on. For those are not already moved on, for those are not moving on and stuck in this relationship, if you want to give this relationship a chance, you know your situation well, so choice is your. So the outcome is Queen of Swords, Seven of Cups and Three of Cups. What I see that you are not putting up with anybody's bullshit anymore. If this person comes to you and does say that they want to talk to you or whatever the case may be, maybe you two are talking with each other. I feel like you are going to get straight to the point and be like, I don't want to. If you want me in your life, so step ahead and live with me, marry me or whatever. But the Four of Wands is reverse. I don't feel like this person wants to be in your life completely. If you don't want that, then I'm going to explore other options that you said to this person. You have other options too, right? And you are an Empress. Like you're going to date other people also, because you don't want to waste your time on this person or this type of relationship anymore. So let's take some advice for you. What are the advice for Pisces? What are the advice? This separation is divine protection. settling down with a long-term potential. Take off the mask. Secrets are coming out, already came out, and you are moving towards the long-term potential. Reach out. Obviously, you deserve better. And playing games. I put it here. Definitely this person is playing games with you, and this separation is divine protection towards you. So take off the mask. You already take off the mask and secrets, and reach out to long-term potential, and you deserve better. So let's take some another deck. This is the messages from the Oracle Universe. So give me 3 messages from the universe. Give me 3 messages from the universe for Pisces for the upcoming week from 16th to the 22nd of August. Give me 3 messages. Okay. This one. When your plans suddenly change or get cancelled, go with the flow and know that I am redirecting you to what you actually need. Definitely. Cut out toxic habits and addictions. This person, maybe this person is addicted to you or you addicted to them. So cut out these toxic habits or behavior. Okay, this one. Not everything you want is meant for you. I am protecting you from that which will not serve your highest good. Absolutely. So that's all for today, Pisces. If it resonates with you, subscribe my channel, share, comment, and I would really like to see your comments, and hit the red bell icon right down below. Till then, take care and bye.